Hello, kids. Today, we are going to learn the English alphabet through sea animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. A is for angelfish. A is for angelfish. B is for blue whale. B is for blue whale. C is for crab. C is for crab. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. E is for eel. E is for eel. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for giant squid. G is for giant squid. H is for hammerhead shark. H is for hammerhead shark. I is for isopod. I is for isopod. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K is for killer whale. K is for killer whale. L is for lobster. L is for lobster. M is for manatee. M is for manatee. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for quahog. Q is for quahog. R is for ray cawdoy. R is for ray cawdoy. S is for seahorse. S is for seahorse. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. U is for urchin. V is for viperfish. V is for viperfish. W is for walrus. W is for walrus. X is for xiphias. X is for xiphias. Y is for yellowtail fish. Y is for yellowtail fish. Z is for zebra shark. Z is for zebra shark. We've now finished the alphabet from A to Z with sea animals. Do you remember any of their names? Let's keep learning and having fun together. See you in the next lessons. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.